the name of mighty Allah, who is the great of great, King of king, and Lord of lord, it's Aman Wasim. And first of all, and once again, I would like to wish all my YouTube family happy Ramadan. May peace and mercy of Allah be upon you. And today in this video, we are going to discuss about the two major things. The first, the pandemic which are spread in whole world, coronavirus, which is also known as COVID-19, and second, the importance of Ramadan. So before wasting any time, let's start this video. So first of all, I would like to clear all the myths, all the misconceptions which are spread about the COVID-19, and I would like to deliver all the facts about COVID-19 which are important. First myth which are spread in our society, that antibiotic can prevent or treat COVID-19. So I would like to clear that antibiotic cannot, I repeat, antibiotic cannot treat or prevent the COVID-19, because antibiotic only work against the bacteria which disease are caused by bacteria, but the COVID-19 is a virus. So second myth are spread that only the old age people can be infected through the coronavirus. So I would like to clear that WHO, the World Health Organization, said that all age can be infected through the coronavirus. It's depend on the immunity of a person. If a person is suffering from asthma, diabetes or heart disease, is more likely to be affected through this virus. So WHO, World Health Organization, said that each people should follow the personal hygiene to protect themselves from this virus. Third myth, spraying alcohol or chlorine all over your body can kill the new coronavirus. The answer is no. Spraying alcohol or chlorine all over your body cannot kill the coronavirus when it enter in your body through mouth. If the coronavirus is in your hand, you can prevent by washing through the sanitizer. But once it enter in your body, you cannot prevent by spraying the alcohol or chlorine to your body. Alcohol and chlorine can be used as a disinfectant and can be used through the recommendation. Fourth myth, can people catch coronavirus from pet? No, since there is no evidence companion that people can be infected or a pet can infect or spread the coronavirus if the animals are staying at home. But still we have to remember that pet like cat and dog come under the category of mammals. So there is a slightly chance that the cat and dog, the pet, are likely to be infected and they will be spread the coronavirus if the pets are going outside home. Now I am going to tell you some of the basic measures to protect yourself from the coronavirus. Now whatever I am going to tell you is a very basic thing but very important to fight against coronavirus, to protect yourself. Wash your hand frequently, thoroughly and regularly. Whenever you should wash your hand with the help of soap and water. If you are traveling, you should carry a sanitizer with you to sanitize your hand regularly and kill the virus which may be in your hand. Hello everyone, due to some technical issue, my some video has been deleted, so I am shooting again. I think so you will be able to understand. So before wasting any time, let's start this video. Maintain social distance. Maintain at least 3 feet social distance from yourself or anyone who is having a symptoms of cough and cold. Maintain because if a person is having a cough and cold, he sparkle some droplet. If you are too close to that person who is having a cough and cold, you can breathe in the droplet from your mouth and it can contain a virus if a person is suffering from a coronavirus. Avoid touching eyes, nose, mouth again and again. Hand touching many surface or contaminated surface can transfer the virus into hand, and when you touch your hand, the virus can transfer from hand to mouth, and through mouth it can be enter into your body and it can make you sick. So avoid touching and try to wear such a mask that don't need to be managed again and again. At the last but not least, stay aware of the latest outbreak of the coronavirus from the website of WHO, World Health Organization. And remember one thing, in many cases, people feel mild illness and recover from themselves. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I would like to make this video in Hindi. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज.